Good morning. Let's continue today class from heat zone. The earth can be divided in three parts. So, can you see here? First one torrid zone, and second one temperate zone, and third one frigid zone in both sides, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So let us see. First we discuss about torrid zone. Torrid zone, see here children, this is the picture of heat zone of the earth. Heat zone. In this zone is hot and humid. It means the area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone, or it is tropical zone, because in this zone received the direct sun rays from the sun. In last class we already knew about these things. In the equator part take the direct rays from the sun. So this place is very hot and humid zone. This is called in both sides. So next one, temperate zone. Temperate zone, it is received slanting rays like this, slanting rays from the sun, slanting in this area, both side, south temperate zone and north temperate zone. It is between the area Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and in southern hemisphere Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. In between place we called this area temperate zone. This zone it is neither very cold nor very hot. So it like that in Mumbai and Chennai, Bangalore, those places nearest the sea places. These are places not very hot, not very cold, these areas. And third one, frigid zone. Frigid zone. Frigid zone, the received steep, very slanting rays, very rare in sun rays. Here we can see very rare sun rays, and it is place of the very coldest place in both side, in between the North Pole and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and in South Pole, it is between the South Pole and Antarctic Circle. It is called the southern frigid zone. It is called the northern frigid zone. So this zone between the both sides, very cold places, and it always very so it is extremely cold throughout the year, always cold places, frigid zone. So these are three zones, has a different climate of the earth. This is also help to us what is the place of cold place and what is the place of hot place, where is hot places and where is the cold places. We can find out from these zones in the earth. We can classified like this in three types. So torrid zone and temperate zone and frigid zone. And then look here children, milestone. Tick the correct in your textbooks. Weather condition keep on changing. It is yes, right, because weather condition keep on changing time to time and place to place, it is changed. And second one, the climate of the place does not influence the lifestyle of the people. This is wrong, because climate and weather are the influence on the lifestyle of people. So third one, factors affecting the weather and climate are the same. It is wrong, because weather and climate are different. Weather is changed and climate is changed. So then fourth one, the earth can be divided into three heat zone. Yes. Now we discussed, we can see here torrid zone and temperate zone and frigid zone. 3 types heat zones we can see. And then fifth one, Delhi is very hot in winter and very cold in summer. No, this is wrong, because Delhi is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. So this is wrong. So from this lesson we will learn about all these things. What is the weather and what is the climate, and what are the factors determine the climate. It means what are the factors influence on the climate. All these things, distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, humidity, all these things influence on the climate and weather. So next, heat zone. Heat zone, it is also help to us what are the zones of temperature, how it is cold or how it is hot and how it is normal. All these things we can know about from these zones. And then here let us practice. Take your pencil, children, and tick these ones. This is today's homework. This one, the first one, climate of the place is mainly influenced by the wind. You tick here A option, wind. And then second one, Delhi has an dash type of climate, extreme type of climate. Delhi has an extreme type of climate. First tick here. And then third one, the wind coming from the sea make a place pleasant. Pleasant is right answer. Fourth one, the amount of moisture present in the air is called humidity. The amount of moisture present in air in large amount, that is humidity, we called that. And fifth one, extremely cold zone on the earth is called frigid zone. Extremely cold and throughout the year, always these zones always cold, so this is called frigid zone. And then B section, match the columns. Match the columns. Bangalore and Chennai are on the same latitude, and Mumbai and Chennai are very humid places. Torrid zone is extremely hot. Then temperate zone, it is has moderate temperature. Fifth one, frigid zone is extremely cold. Next, answer the following in one word. The area near the equator that has moderate temperature is called torrid zone. And second, places near the sea are neither very hot nor very cold. Third one, when we go higher in the mountains, it gets cooler. We can feel that when we go climbing the hills or when we go higher places, we feel that cooler, that climate. Fourth one, Mumbai and Chennai are very humid. The zone lying between Arctic Circle and North Pole, frigid zone. This is called a frigid zone. Then next class I will give answer for these questions, and you will copy it in Fairbook. So I will send next classes PDF file, 1 mark questions, and also these answer the following questions.